guys, new week, 9.1, new LP is starting. Thank you all to all of you who got your logs done for me on time and you sent me your 8.4 packets. I really appreciate that. If you haven't completed your log on your Google Doc yet, or you haven't sent me your 8.4 picture yet, please make sure you do that as soon as this video is over. I really need that as soon as possible so I can take care of it on my end. Thank you so much again for those who have already done it. This new LP, we're looking at a couple of new things. The first one being how we're going to contribute to our Google Doc this week. So for this week, we're going to do things a little bit differently. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so what we're going to do differently this week is looking at our Google document samples that we usually do. The last few weeks, you guys have been just typing the work right on there, and that's been great, but they've been asking, can I have some samples with the kids' actual handwriting? So that's what we're working on this week. So for that, you'll see your normal, Google sample that I've sent out, the 9.1 to you. It'll have all of your 4 assignments placed for you. The thing I'm going to teach you right now is how to put pictures in there. So you're going to do all of Tuesday's work on paper. There's one worksheet, the rest can go on notebook paper, and then you're going to actually take pictures of those assignments. A couple ways to take the pictures. Obviously, you can do it with your Chromebook, but you have to make sure that the assignment is legible. I have to be able to read your name, the title, all of that stuff. So please make sure you take care of that. If it doesn't work with your Chromebook, that's okay. You have other options. You can use your phone and take a picture. You can use your parents' device to take a picture, what have you. The only thing is you have to make sure that you can have access to the picture where you have your Google Documents. So you can always log into your parents' computer in your Ranger Mail. They can email the picture to that computer. You can get it that way, or you can have your parents send me the picture, and then I'll send the picture to you, and then that way you can open it in your Ranger Mail and have it on your Chromebook. You just have to figure out the best way that you want to do that. So I actually emailed myself a picture, so I'll show you that what happens when you do that. If you choose the email route, you're just going to download it. And then that way you can put it into your Google document. So let's see if mine will pop up. So you see there's my brief right that I did. You notice really important in the top, right? I have my name, the subject, and the date. You have to have that, and I have to be able to read that. You also have to have the subject title. Please make sure you do this. Subject title, name, subject, date, all very important. The date also has to match the date that I have put here, right? 4/14/4/14. Okay, so I'm in my assignment. You'll see I have this big red handwriting that says make sure the picture of your sample includes name, date, subject in your handwriting, right? It has to be there. So you'll just go below where I put the title. You'll go up here to this little icon that looks like a mountain. It's going to say insert image. You're going to upload it from your computer. And then I actually downloaded mine, so I know mine's in downloads. There it is, open. Wait a minute for it, and then you see there it is, and I'm going to move mine up a little bit. And then I'm actually going to resize mine a little bit so that it fits. It needs to fit on the page that it goes with, so it should be on the same title as this. I should have it like that. So make sure you can see the typing title, and then you also have the one that you did. And I need it like that. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about this. It should be pretty straightforward. You can also Google or YouTube and see how to upload an image using your Chromebook. So definitely check that out as well. The other thing we're doing differently that we're starting this week is I'm going to try and do a whole class meetup at least once a week. So this week I'm looking to do Thursday at 1 o'clock for our science part of the day. So I know it's a case-by-case basis, not everyone can always make it, but if you can make it, we'd love to see you. Every time I do tutoring or a small group, people always ask, when are we going to get to see the whole class? So I hope you can make it this Thursday at 1 o'clock to do a little bit of science. Which brings me to the next thing that's a little bit different. You guys are going to be taking a science quiz on Friday about catastrophic events. And that's actually going to be on our Google Classroom. It's not going to be like the math quiz where you have to upload your own Google Doc. This is something you're going to take right inside the Google Classroom. It's its own form. So that'll be due on Friday. You can access the quiz as early as Thursday. So if you're on Wednesday or Tuesday, you're looking for the quiz, it won't be there until Thursday afternoon. So just so you know, the quiz comes out Thursday. The other thing I want to bring up is IXL. Some of you did a really good job practicing of that. Some of you did what I asked and did the 100 problems, and I really, really appreciate it. Others of you didn't even bother to open IXL or try it at all. Just so you know, I am giving participation points, so this is worth points towards your grade if you are attempting the IXL and doing it. So please make sure that you do that. One of the only assignments for math this week is just to do your 20 IXL problems. So there's only 20 problems this week. Please go on and do them. It's really good practice. It really, like I said, IXL, goes to where your level is. So it's going to give you the practice you need to make you a better math student. So please make sure you do that this week as well. We're also going to be starting our novel in a couple weeks, so if you are interested in trying to track down a hard copy of the novel, it's called The Phantom Toll Booth by Norton Jester. If you want to order that on Amazon or what have you. If you aren't able to get a paper copy, that's okay. I'm going to provide a PDF for you, so you'll still be able to read it. But if you want to order it and have it ahead of time, you need to probably order it in the next couple days. So you can get started on that now. If you do order it ahead of time, please don't read it ahead of time, right? We don't want any spoilers. For this week's video, if you have any questions, especially regarding how to do the Google document assignment, please, please, please make sure you reach out to me. It's not an option to not do it. I have to have samples with your handwriting. That's why we're doing it this way. So please make sure that you know how to do it and you feel comfortable, and let me know if you need any help with that. And stay tuned and see what I do for PE this week. See you guys.